microwave unboxing video for your delight and pleasure. Instructions. Don't need them. Polystyrene. Yeah, it's a bit sad in it then. What I'll do, I'll put this back in there like that. Oh, that's good, isn't it? I don't know if you can hear that. Not loud at all, just a little tiny, not a beep thing like that. I always keep these, they can be quite useful. making the noises. Oh, the lights are kind of like warm amber. I don't want it for 2 minutes, so. Oh. Yes. Let's heat it up. Heat. Mm. Oh, it's a sad world, isn't it? They can't properly get rid of all this stuff. They haven't worked it out yet, how to deal with it really. Basically, they just try and hide it, don't they? That's the truth. Anyway, nice to see you.
My experience today, let me microwave my food and this is what I got. Doesn't really make sense. After 1 month of buying it, this is it. I bought this 1 month ago, just 1 month ago, and now, okay, it was delivered on the 16th and today should be 20 something, and look at it, already broken. It just shared into two. I've never seen this type before. Please, I need a replacement for this product, please. I need something else. I need something to replace this. I can't just go like that and go and get another one. I need it, please.
By the size, it's not that much small or not that much big. So if you compare it with my fridge, it's quite nice, and it actually can fit a full like plate. So I'm happy with it actually. Pretty basic, but does the work. I even made tea in it. I know it's funny.